All right, let's go ahead and measure our camshaft bearing journals. We're going to go ahead and we're going to measure the PTO and the magneto bearing journals on the camshaft here. So don't forget to look up your specs for these ahead of time. That'll help you in making sure that you choose the right size micrometer, as well as predict your measurements a little bit easier here. So going to measure this, we'll do the PTO side first. I've got my micrometer. I'm holding it by the frame. It's unlocked. I'm going to go ahead and put the micrometer over the bearing journal and turn it down. And then I'm going to give it a little rock in each direction to make sure I got it on there. And then I'm going to give it a slide to make sure that I've got the proper amount of tightness. Oops, a little loose there. Just need just enough to keep it from rocking. And then I'm going to rotate this and I'm going to turn it so that I can read it and the camera can focus. And if we take a look, we got 510 thousandths plus a vernier reading. So I'll rotate it over, see if I can spot a set of lines. My arms are long enough to rotate it. I'm going to go with the 8 and the 21. There may be a little bit of parallax error here in the camera view, but off camera it looks like the 8 and 21. So that would be 8 ten thousandths. So I'm going to take my 510 thousandths plus an 8 thousandths. That makes a total of 5,108 ten thousandths for a camshaft PTO journal diameter. I'm going to go ahead and write that down in my packet. Remember, when you write your dimensions down in your packet, to make sure that you include your units of measurement. Go ahead and put my decimal point, 5,108 ten thousandths of an inch. Okay, write that down. We'll do the same thing for the magneto side. Make sure that we get the diameter of the magneto bearing journal. Okay, check and make sure it's not too tight of a fit, but not too loose. And then we'll take our reading. And here, this one looks like we're right on 511 thousandths of an inch. And if we take a look up here, we can see the 0 of our vernier scale is pretty much lined right up with the 14 on the thimble. So we'll go ahead and record that as well. 5,114 ten thousandths of an inch. Nope, I wrote that down wrong, sorry. 5,110 thousandths of an inch. Okay, see, even I make mistakes because we had some extra numbers in there. So it's important to make sure that you're checking and rechecking and monitoring yourself as you're doing this to make sure that you're getting your math right and you're using the right numbers. Okay, something doesn't seem to jive, it's okay to remeasure. Or maybe I'll see it when you come for your checkpoint. Don't forget to get your checkpoints checked when you get them done. Don't wait till you get them all done to come get your checkpoints checked, because if you accidentally read several of them wrong, you're going to be sent back to do several of them. Any questions? Come find me in the lab, and thanks for watching.